Welcome back, Mapleton Online Owls. Today is Monday, November 28th, 2022. We hope you had a restful and relaxing Thanksgiving break and that you have returned refreshed and re-energized for the next 3 weeks of the second quarter. These are your morning announcements brought to you by the Fox's Den. We have no birthdays to celebrate today, but we can celebrate Cyber Monday. Cyber Monday is a marketing term that was started in 2005 to describe the Monday after Black Friday. Black Friday goes all the way back to the 1950s and is the Friday after Thanksgiving when people would traditionally find stores posting sales to bring them to the stores to shop. The more shoppers chose to shop online, the more the holiday shopping season changed, and now the period from Black Friday to Cyber Monday is often referred to as Cyber Weekend, with discounts getting steeper as the sale progresses. Since the COVID pandemic, we are now finding Black Friday starting as early as the summer. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Today's weather, partly cloudy today with a high of 53 degrees. Turning colder tonight with snow showers early, becoming steadier snow overnight. A winter weather advisory goes into effect at 2 a.m. Tuesday morning with snow accumulations forecast at 1 to 3 inches and a low of 17 degrees. Charles Alexander Eastman, also named Oiza, which means winter, was born in 1862 in a Native American village near Redwood Falls, Minnesota. He was one of the first Native American physicians to practice scientific-based medicine on a reservation and was even eyewitness to both the events leading up to and following the Wounded Knee Massacre of December 29, 1890. Eastman went on to champion Native American rights, became a Washington lobbyist for the Dakota Sioux, and was assigned by Teddy Roosevelt and later Calvin Coolidge to several tribal responsibilities. Charles Eastman helped establish more than 30 Native American YMCA groups and would later help Ernest Seton of the Woodcraft Indians and Daniel Beard of the Sons of Daniel Boone to found the Boy Scouts of America. These are his words today as our quote of the day. It was our belief that the love of possessions is a weakness to be overcome. Its appeal is to the material part, and if allowed its way, it will in time disturb one's spiritual balance. Therefore, children must early learn the beauty of generosity. They are taught to give what they prize most, that they may taste the happiness of giving. Upcoming events this week. On Wednesday, November 30th, there will be a staff meeting for all staff beginning at 3 o'clock p.m. On Thursday, December 1st, there will be a science fair meeting for all students grades kindergarten through 12th at 3 o'clock p.m. Look for the Teams meeting link on the Mapleton Online website or email Cindy Lewis at lewisc@mapleton.us. Beginning next week, our Performing Arts Department will start their winter concert series with their beginning band, orchestra, and choir. On Monday, December 6th, beginning orchestra concert at 6 o'clock and 7:30 p.m. at Rosa Auditorium on the Skyview campus. On Tuesday, December 7th at 7 o'clock p.m., beginning choir concert at Rosa Auditorium on the Skyview campus. And on Wednesday, December 8th, beginning band concert at 6 o'clock and 7:30 p.m. at the Rosa Auditorium on Skyview campus. There are several basketball games this evening, starting at 4 o'clock p.m. Girls C-Team game versus Pomona at Skyview High School, and boys C-Team game versus Pomona at Pomona High School. Then at 5:30 p.m., girls JV game versus Pomona at Skyview High School, and boys JV game versus Pomona at Pomona High School. At 7 o'clock p.m., girls varsity game versus Pomona at Skyview High School, and boys varsity game versus Pomona at Pomona High School. Our word of the day today, tepid. An adjective meaning especially of a liquid, only slightly warm or lukewarm. In the sentence, I waited so long to drink the tea, it was tepid by the time I did. Or as a second meaning, showing little enthusiasm. The play was so long and the acting so terrible, the applause was tepid at best. This day in history,
Day in history, November 28th.
In 1942, almost 500 people were killed in a blaze at the Coconut Grove nightclub in Boston. It remains the deadliest nightclub fire in American history. In 1964, the U.S. spacecraft Mariner 4, launched on a flyby of the planet Mars, provided the first ever close-up images of another planet. In 1995, the federal speed limit of 55 miles an hour was repealed. Today, states set their own limits. And in 1519, Ferdinand Magellan found a passage from east to west. After sailing for a year, his fleet found a narrow passage at the southern tip of South America. After inching through it for 38 frigid days, they arrived in the Pacific. The shortcut was named the Strait of Magellan.
we have a late piece of Thanksgiving artwork from Chloe O. in 9th grade. Thanks for sharing, Chloe. And this familiar face is here today to remind all of us that the second quarter here at Mapleton Online is soon ending. Quarter 2 ends on Wednesday, December 21st, in only 17 days. Motivate yourself now that you have re-energized and refreshed to be a little better every day. Finish up those assignments and stay on top of new work coming in for the next 3 weeks. Success is yours if you work for it. Our joke of the day today: why shouldn't you write with a broken pencil? Because it's pointless. Thank you and have a wonderful day of learning.